What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Body by Trend. If you're a mushroom lover and looking for a super quick and easy low carb meal, you've made it to the right place. Today we're making my favorite, which are spinach and cheese stuffed portobello mushrooms that will definitely satisfy your taste buds. If that sounds good to you, you're definitely not going to want to miss out on this one. So if you're ready, follow me and let's get started. Alright, so here we have our large portobello mushroom that you can grab from any produce section or your local grocery store. I didn't record it, but all you have to do is take a paper towel, a damp paper towel, and you want to rub off all this excess dirt on the back. Next, you're going to go ahead and get you a spoon, and we're just going to carve out the insides, being gentle so that you don't poke holes through it. Once you're finished, it should end up looking just like this, nice and clean on the inside. And if you do want to save the inside core, you're more than welcome to. I didn't for this one, but you can go ahead and do that if you want to. I also did this to two because I was making 2 servings of it. You can see my second one is not as neat, but it's not going to matter once we start to cook it. Alright, and once that is complete, you're going to want to put your pan on medium-high heat and add about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and we're going to let that roast for a couple of minutes. And you see it right now, it is just kind of cooking and sizzling down. We're going to stir it around the pan a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our spinach. Now, I did not have any fresh spinach on hand, but it does work a lot better with frozen and you get a lot more out of it. So I didn't measure my spinach, I just kind of dumped it in there. So this is probably about 2 cups of spinach that I'm going to cook down, which only will take a couple of minutes to do so. As that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead now and add in about 5 cubes of cream cheese. To achieve this, all I did was cut my block of cream cheese right down the middle, and I cut it vertical into cubes, and I used about 5 of them. Now this is going to melt down beautifully, and you're just going to want to sit there and combine it all together. All I did was add some salt and some pepper because when we put on our garlic butter on the top, it is honestly going to bring the flavor all together. You don't need that much seasoning unless you just want to add in some more. Once you have it all combined, go ahead and remove it from the heat, and you can go ahead and let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then go ahead and start divvying it out between your 2 mushrooms. And once you have it ready, you will go ahead and have it smoothed out just like so. And then we're going to move on to top it with our cheese of preference. Now you don't have to, it is optional, but I love to top mine with some mozzarella cheese, freshly grated, along with some Parmesan cheese as well. And now for my favorite part, I'm going to be spreading on my melted garlic butter. This is the reason I did not want to add any additional seasoning, because the mixture itself has enough seasoning in it to honestly make it pop off. Now you can home make your garlic butter, or you can use some store-bought garlic butter, whichever you prefer, but we're just going to go ahead and we're going to smear this on top on both of them, as little or as much as you want. Now I am a garlic lover, so you know I had to go all out. Once you have it to your liking, go ahead and put it into the oven for about 20 minutes on 400 degrees. You'll know when it's ready when your mushroom begins to flatten out, and it should look just like this. This is also an incredibly versatile meal for you to choose to have, especially if you are trying to go meatless for the day. And that is it. If you enjoyed watching this video and following along and you want to see more just like this, go ahead and hit that like button and comment your thoughts down below, and be sure to subscribe if you have not done so already. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, see you next time.